I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and confirming your device type. This matters because Android and iOS differ. Once done, make sure battery and connectivity are stable. Low power can hide toggles. On Android, go to Network and Internet. On iOS, open Control Center settings. You're beginning the process now, so don't stall. Locate the Hotspot control or the customizable status bar tiles and prepare to edit the visible options. You now remove the Hotspot option itself. On Android, pull down the Quick Settings, tap Edit or the pencil icon, then drag the Hotspot tile out of the active area. This hides it from the status bar. On iOS, open Settings Control Center, tap Customize Controls, then tap the minus beside Personal Hotspot to remove it. Once removed, make sure to exit Edit mode so the change persists and verify the status bar no longer shows the toggle. Finish by rebooting the device to ensure settings apply across the UI. This often resolves lingering icons. If the hotspot option remains visible, check for third-party apps or carrier settings that force a persistent shortcut and revoke those permissions or disable the app. If problems persist, restore defaults for Quick Settings or Control Center and redo the removal steps. If nothing works, note one troubleshooting tip. Toggle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.